led by Sister Tintin. Pagkatapos, we have the prayer. Minsan ayaw lang so cheers lang. Nagkaksawa lang pero manilin ka, Ato na sa taba. Okay, pasanin to, siya nga na si katayon, amin. Amaya kay tayo, so makakalitit kayo namin. Sa number 1 niya makakalitit si Reverend Father Boots Kumbasi, our new parish priest. So it goes to show that the Manawag people are very happy, they are very united in spite of the visits of two men, Cosme and Frank. In spite of the issues that sometimes trouble us at home, like the Meralco, the CTE, the Almira. So, ang gamatong kanya, wala bakit na problema tayo nationwide, wadya tayo to show, yasaksakoy itayo with Manawag. So, in behalf of the Parish, Our Lady of Manawag Parish of the Holy Rosary, under the leadership of our new parish priest, I welcome you all. Thank you for coming, and thank you, and welcome.